Welcome to quiz time. 10 questions. Let's see how many you can get right. Question 1. What is the fastest land animal? A. Cheetah. B. Lion. C. Gazelle. D. Ostrich.
The answer is A. Cheetah. Cheetahs can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds, faster than most sports cars. Question 2. What is the largest ocean on Earth? A. Pacific Ocean. B. Atlantic Ocean. C. Indian Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean.
The answer is A. Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean covers approximately 1/3 of the Earth's surface and contains the deepest point, the Mariana Trench. Question 3. What planet has rings? A. Saturn. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. D. Venus. The answer is A. Saturn. Saturn's rings are mostly made of billions of small ice particles, ranging from dust-sized to house-sized. Question 4. What is the tallest mountain? A. Mount Everest. B. K2. C. Mount Kilimanjaro. D. Mont Blanc. The answer is A. Mount Everest. Mount Everest grows by about 4 millimeters per year due to ongoing tectonic plate movement. Question 5. What animal has the longest neck? A. Giraffe. B. Ostrich. C. Elephant. D. Swan. The answer is A. Giraffe. A giraffe's neck can be up to 6 feet long, allowing them to reach high leaves. Question 6. What is the smallest planet? A. Mercury. B. Mars. C. Earth. D. Jupiter. The answer is A. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and experiences extreme temperature swings between day and night. Question 7. What is the deepest ocean trench? A. Mariana Trench. B. Puerto Rico Trench. C. Java Trench. D. Tonga Trench. The answer is A. Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench's Challenger Deep is deeper than Mount Everest is tall, reaching almost 11,000 meters. Question 8. What animal can change color? A. Chameleon. B. Elephant. C. Penguin. D. Giraffe. The answer is A. Chameleon. Chameleons change color not only for camouflage, but also to communicate and regulate body temperature. Question 9. What is the hottest planet? A. Venus. B. Mercury. C. Earth. D. Mars. The answer is A. Venus. Venus's dense atmosphere traps heat, making it the solar system's hottest planet. Question 10. What is the largest land animal? A. African bush elephant. B. Blue whale. C. Giraffe. D. White rhinoceros. The answer is A. African bush elephant. The African bush elephant's trunk contains over 40,000 muscles, making it an incredibly versatile limb.
Thanks for playing. Subscribe for more fun quizzes every day.